Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this really simple yet effective oil burner. So if you have oil or wax melts in your home that you burn to give off a nice scent, this is what that's for, and it's ideal for that. So I've made it simply with a pallet wood block and an old spoon that I've connected here at the back and bent over. So please enjoy the video. So I started off with this rough looking block that I've previously removed from a pallet that I've dismantled. And as you can see there, it's really cold here in the UK at the moment with a lot of snow on the ground. So the idea was to cut down both ends of this block to shorten it and to make it square. And then I took my palm router and I used a round over bit to round over all the edges just to make it look a bit neater. And then I went over the block with some 80 grit sandpaper. So there were some quite big holes from nails in these blocks, and I just wanted to fill them in, so I mixed up some PVA glue with some of the sawdust and just filled those holes in. And once that was done, I went over it again with a finer sandpaper, but didn't go too far because I wanted to maintain the rustic look. So now I needed to make a mark for where I'm going to drill a hole for the tea light. So I'm roughly finding a central point here, just using a ruler. And to drill the hole for the tea light, I'm going to use a 40mm Forstner bit. So I set that up in the drill press, and I went just deep enough so that the tea light sits flush with the surface of the block. So now I wanted to give it a finish, and I used some brown wax. And then I just gave it a buffing off with a dry cloth. So now I needed to add the spoon. So I just roughly worked out sort of where it's going to go on the block. And I decided to drill 2 holes in the handle of the spoon to add 2 screws later on. So I just drilled 2 holes with the drill press. And then to make sure that the screw heads sit nice and flush, I just countersunk these holes. So now it's time to bend the spoon. This one's quite a good quality spoon, so I put it in the clamp and then just slowly bent it. So when I had the desired shape, it was just time to mount the spoon to the block. And I just made 2 marks and then drilled some pilot holes.
and then I just secured the screws, and the spoon was nice and secure. So now all there was left to do was to try it out. So I have some lemon oil, and I just need to add a few drops and then just add a little water, and the water just helps to stop the oil adhering to the surface of whatever it's on and smoking. So if you wasn't aware of that, just add a drop of water to the oil and that always helps. So if you found this video useful, please remember to drop me a like and also comment, and please also consider subscribing as well if you haven't already for more videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.